Hello everyone, welcome to Learnowledge. Today we'll be discussing about the style binding in Angular. So we'll be discussing what is style binding, how to bind CSS style with TypeScript variable, how to use ternary operator in style binding, usage of an ngStyle directive in Angular, and at the end we'll have a quiz. So style binding is used to set a style of your HTML element, and also we can use inline styles to give any of the look and feel to the HTML element. So let's just jump to the ground. So we do have a empty component here. So in STL we don't have anything. So let's just create a division here. To do the style binding, what we need to do, just put on between the square bracket style dot. This is very necessary. Like we need to use style word, and after the dot symbol, we'll have to use any CSS class. So let's just use color equals, and within double quotes and within single quotes you can use color red. This is a message. Just say it, save it. So our text color is red now. And also you can use multiple bindings here. So let me just copy this one, and we can do like style dot, there's a property text align, and let's just make it center. Let's make this color as yellow. Save it. So you see, we are having a this is a message in center and in yellow color. So both of the properties are applied to this particular division. Next is we can also use ternary operator. Let's just say create a division div within square bracket style dot color, and within single quotes you can use any TypeScript variable. So let's just say if error, place a question mark, red, space, colon, green. So this is the ternary operator. So what Angular will do, it will analyze this if error. If this is being true, then red color will be applied. And if this is being not true, then green color will be applied. Let's just say this is conditional. So if you save it, you see we have not defined this if error variable in a TypeScript. So our statement is in green color since this is undefined. I mean it's not true. So that's why it is pointing it to the green one. And you see we do have an error in our console. This is the latest feature of Angular. Like it parses your HTML and it search for the any of the Angular variable that you have or have not initialized or declared in your TypeScript. So it says error occur in template property if error does not exist on type my com component. So let's just go to TypeScript, create if error type boolean. Let's make it true. Save it. It says compiled successfully. So our message turns to red now, as this F error is evaluated to true. Now we can also make uses of some other properties of class. Like we can go to some other at the deeper level. So let's just say let's create a division style dot just say font size and font size dot px. Let me just use this one. So the px stands for the pixel. So we can use the inner property of font size pixel, and we can use any of the ternary operator or any other thing to define it. Just make it 50. This is at deeper level. Let's just save it. So font size is 50. So that means if error is true, let me just make it false. Then you'll see the difference. Make it false. Now the font size is become bigger and your conditional is in green. So that means false if error turns out to be false. So we are in the right track. And also uh, we can also use some objects in order to get the complete style. To use objects, we can use a directive ngStyle. The syntax is very similar, or it's like division, right? ngStyle and your class name or any of the object. Let's say my style, and just say this is from object. Let's just define this my style into TypeScript. Just make it mm, background color yellow, and color blue. Let's just say font weight bold. Oops. Yeah. So now we have defined our object, my style, which is having a background color yellow, color blue, font size bold, and we have used ngStyle directive to provide a complete object to our division. So let's just save it. So this is how it looks like it applies all of the objects properties to our division. Let's say the background color yellow, color of the text is blue, and font weight is bold. And similar way, you can use a ternary operator here as well. Let's just change color to red. So we can access this like this dot if error. question mark, blue. Let's make it red, else blue. Since this is false, let's make it true. So this becomes red. And if we make it false, this becomes blue. So this is few of the examples that you can use in your application for style binding and use a different styles to your division, to your paragraph, to your text area. So that's all for today. Let's jump to the quiz. So what will be the output in browser after running below code? In component HTML, we are having a one division using ngStyle and which is using one method, fetch my style, and there is one division message here. And in component is we do have one method, fetch my style, which returns an object. The correct answer is option 3. So this is just one another example that you can use your methods as well in ngStyle to give a complete object and you can return a complete object from your methods. So that's all for today. Please hit like, comment your queries in comment section and subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any update. Thank you.